Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making this stunning 3D butterfly. Let's dive right in. First, peel the protective film off the blank areas of the butterfly and paste the pattern. Spread glue evenly along the blank edges. Wait 1 to 2 minutes until it gets tacky. Now carefully place the Cloisonné painting wire along the glued edge. Use tweezers in your fingers to bend and shape the wire, making sure it hugs the pattern perfectly. Do the same for the other side's outer edge. Apply glue evenly along each line. I'll speed up this repetitive part a bit. If you guys want to see the video without the speed adjustment, you can go watch me live stream. Once all the Cloisonné painting wire is attached on both sides, carefully peel off the pattern paper. Use a small wooden block to gently press down on the wire surface. This helps it adhere better and creates a flatter gold outline. Apply the wire for the center section. Continuously adjust it with tweezers to fit the blank space and the pattern edges. Trim any excess wire once you have the right length. Antennae time. For curly antennae, use tweezers to wrap the wire ends like I'm doing. Prefer straight ones? Just trim them neatly. Let the glue dry completely, about 3 to 4 hours. Then, lightly mist the entire surface with water. Important, the glue must be fully dry before you start coloring. Time for color. Follow the color guide included, or get creative. If you have extra materials, mix your own favorite shades. You might create something even more beautiful. Quick tip, I added a tiny bit of color adhesive, sand fixing glue 1, to my paints. For easier mixing, use a separate little tray or cup if you're adding adhesive to your colors. Got a dream butterfly color combo? Share your ideas in the comments or message me in my shop. I'm always looking for new set ideas. Use the spatula to draw a zigzag to go ahead and mix our colors. Remember to add small amounts of color to prevent overdoing it. Repeat the coloring process on the other side. Give the whole butterfly an even coat of finishing sealant, sand fixing glue 2. Let it dry undisturbed for 48 hours. Once fully dry, peel off the protective film from the back of the butterfly. And there you have it. Your beautiful 3D butterfly is complete. Happy crafting, and I'll see you in the next video.